If you need to move objects in AutoCAD, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're adjusting a single line, a block, or multiple objects at once, the Move tool is one of the most useful commands in AutoCAD, and once you understand it, you'll use it all the time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. Make sure the file you want to edit is already loaded so you can see the objects on screen. Before you start moving anything, it helps to zoom in a little if needed, so you can clearly select the item you want to reposition. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the AutoCAD interface. In the Modify panel, click the Move command. This tells AutoCAD that you want to relocate selected objects from one place to another. You can also use the Move command from the ribbon if you're following along visually, but the Home tab is the fastest place to find it. Once you click Move, AutoCAD will prompt you to select the object or objects you want to move. Click on the object you want or drag a selection window around multiple items if you need to move more than one thing at the same time. This is really helpful when you want to keep objects aligned or move a group together without changing their structure. After selecting the object or objects, press Enter on your keyboard. This confirms your selection and tells AutoCAD you're ready for the next step. At this point, AutoCAD will ask you to specify a base point. Click a base point on the object. The base point is the reference point AutoCAD will use for the move. It can be any point that makes sense for your drawing, such as a corner, midpoint, or center point, depending on how you want the object positioned. Choosing the right base point makes it much easier to place the object accurately. Now move your cursor to the new location where you want the object to go. As you move the mouse, AutoCAD will show the object following your cursor so you can preview the placement before dropping it into place. When it looks right, click once to place the object in the new location. And that's it! You've successfully moved your object in AutoCAD. This simple process lets you position elements quickly and accurately without redrawing anything from scratch. If you're working on larger drawings, mastering the Move tool can save you a lot of time and make your workflow much smoother. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy AutoCAD tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.